Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a face mask let's try with a face mask. If you've watched my channel, you know that I did 3 Halloween looks, 3 times that, I don't want to call it cheap paint, but you know that face paint you can get at any supermarket around Halloween time or other times as well. My skin is like, I didn't have as many breakouts as I thought I would have with that cheap paint, especially because the one that I used was over a year old. I have one here, which I don't think you can see, and then I had one here. The rest was rather okay. So even though it was itchy, I even told you in the videos, oh, my skin is itchy. It wasn't that bad. This is the illuminating holographic sheet mask, shock, with with hyaluronic acid and citrus oils by OhK. This is the brand. It is sulfate-free, gluten-free, and suitable for vegans, and it is not test on animals. So then it has the warnings, you know, like don't put it too close to your eyes and your mouth area, and if you get it in your eyes, wash it out, you know, stuff like that. Different languages over here. These are the ingredients, and this is how you use it. And it's supposed to brighten, to firm, to lock in moisture, and is for daily use. And it's supposed to look like this, which I'm ready. Oh yeah, by the way, washing your face, which I did. Put this on, leave on for 10 to 20 minutes, and then just take it off and then massage the rest of it into your skin, which is good. Like usually I would say 10 to 20 minutes, I don't have time to do that, but I'm currently cleaning out my room again and just my entire house. So I can use those 20 minutes to do something else. Oh my god, this is very moist. Oh my goodness. That smells really good. Okay, where is it? Oh, I can see it. Oh god, it's dripping. You know what? Before I do this, let me just get some tissues. It's not really holographic though. It looks. Oh, and the camera does look like it. Okay. So, oh my goodness. So, this is what it looks like. Let me just put that on. Oh god. Oh god. It's dripping down. Oh my goodness. Okay, so like this. Oh my god, I look like a robot. I like it, but I also don't. That actually looks really cool. Like I said, I look like a robot, but I like it. So, leave it on for 20 minutes, and then we'll see. It's very moist though. Like what I did, like I went over with a tissue like 3 times now, and it's still wet. Okay, it's not really fitting on my face. Oh god, wait into my eyes. Oh god, hold on. Okay, that hurts. How am I supposed to? Wait, what? Oh fuck, that hurts. Oh my god. You know that, like, you have people living with you that never say a fucking word, but as soon as you film, everyone has to talk and sing and I don't know what. So I'll leave this on now. I hope I don't get any more of this serum, whatever it is, into my eyes, because that would be nice. And then I'll be back. Okay, so it has been a while, and let me just take this off. Into the trash. Oh, okay. What is this? Oh, when I tried to get that product out of my eye, probably got stuck. So I have to massage the rest into my skin. It looks still very moist. I guess like this. It definitely gives you a nice healthy glow, because you know it is so moist, literally glowing, because all the product you have on your face is still not sinking in, so I feel like it will take a long time to sink in. If you don't like that, this mask might not be for you. On that, it's okay, I guess. I feel a bit warm here. Can you see where I'm a little bit red? around my nose as well, but on that, yeah, I don't think this is a bad mask. Now, obviously, it didn't really fit me. I don't know if you could tell, but it didn't fit me. And I have that with a bunch of, oh my god. Oh my god. My whole desk is wet now. I don't know. These sheet masks are a blessing and a curse at the same time. Because on one hand, you're just like, oh, I can try something out. I'm very excited for this, you know, and it's basically K-beauty. It's made in Korea. It is nice to have something new. And then they're so moist. Like, this is not the first time this has happened. This is not the first time my whole desk was wet from a face mask. I love these masks and I hate them at the same time. But yeah, my skin doesn't hurt. It's not irritated. It's a bit warm, like I said over here, where I'm a bit red. It's actually sinking in. It's a little bit sticky. Is it illuminating? It probably is, because, you know, like I said, with all the moisture that's in there, you are very glowing and just highlighted, basically, if that makes sense. You know, like, you just look better and refreshed, and you look like you drank, I don't know, like a gallon of water in like, I don't know, like 2 minutes. But yeah, I like it. It's a bit difficult to use. It's not horrible to use. It's just, I mean, if you're not up for a bit of cleanup afterwards, maybe don't get sheet masks in the first place. I can still feel there's so much product left. Oh god. Yes, it's literally, it's like water. Oh my god. It smells good though, but I don't want it all over my desk. And I have to put this into my empties. How am I supposed to? You know, I just put it here, then maybe I think about it. If you don't see this in my empties, then I forgot about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Have you had this before? I know that K-beauty is a huge trend currently. I am obviously not on the bandwagon yet, because I just don't use it. It's not that I'm not interested in it, I just don't use it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, subscribe to my channel already, and it's the next video. Oh, there's a plane. Nice, take me with you, please. I need a vacation. Oh no, my dog sees another dog. I bet he's gonna growl. I bet he's gonna growl. Hold on. If you... This is like the 4th time. I hope those people are okay, but Jesus Christ. I don't know what that means. Did you hear him fart now? Oh my god. Billy! Oh my god!